In the alley between Warren and Alton. Okay.
Yep, it's Alton and Warren, and it's Palmetto, the street Palmetto. And she's rolling on the floor. She has her head down on the floor right now, just rubbing her head on the floor. And
is she black, white, Hispanic, another race?
She's white.
Okay. What color clothing does she have on?
She has a pink shirt and black pants. It was black, and now they're yellow, and she's dirty as hell.
In the alley. Do you think she's like tweaking on drugs, or do you know?
Yeah, I think she's tweaking on drugs, man. No, I'm not. I actually was just walking to the store and then walking home, and I just seen her rolling, and I needed to call y'all because I don't want her to get hurt or anybody to hurt her.
Okay, Dolores, we'll get somebody over there to check on her, okay? Thank you for calling this in.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thanks.
She's in rough shape.
How bad?
Violator.
Kelly told me I was asking if she did study or, she did anything in particular, but she really can't say much.
You don't know her name?
No, I think my friend knows her, but I don't know her. I've seen her out on the street, but
Where'd she come from?
I don't know. I just came down the alley from the store.
We come out to do the yard, and she was out here. She's got some of her stuff flopping around.
I never seen nobody on Facebook.
I just got her in this house. There's a young boy in that house who's talking to her.
What was talking to her?
A boy. Yeah. He was talking. He wanted something to drink, so then like he was talking to her.
What's that? All right. He said, the medic walked. I'll tell you later. They've been trying to talk to her, but she's at a loss for words. Looks like she may have urinated herself.
My sister brought me on this path for my birthday. This is my husband. My sister.
Hey, can you tell me your name? What's your name? Alright.
Hold it over.
Let's just hold her arms down.
Hey, sweetie.
Hold her on the back.
Get her right here.
Yeah, you want to get her right here?
I won't move. I can't fight.
Huh?
I can't breathe.
We got you. We got you.
Some medicine.
They're gonna get it right.
They have the shoulder for you.
Oh,
Yeah, they have the shoulder for you. I'm gonna get more than one. So. Okay. Yeah, alright. Hold real still, okay?
Hey, slight pinch. Don't worry about it. You'll be all right. We got you.
Another one? Don't do that.
Don't touch yours.
Trying to catch an elbow to the face or what?
No,
Make me look like an asshole to my friends.
She called it 10-3. Just let her hang out for a sec. It'll take effect here in just a minute, hopefully. So she's breathing great. We're doing good. We just let her relax before we get her on the cot, so we'll tip it over.
Hey, Misty. Misty. Can you hear me? Misty.
All right, ready? Go, shut down. Get the other end of that.
My dad knows at the house.
Unfortunately, the strap doesn't go down very much.
Jesus Christ. If you please,
All right, I got it. What?
Sorry.
Thought they get tight enough. All right.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I didn't touch the button, I swear.
Okay, first I thought you said butt, then I heard you say button.
Prepare to lift.
Watch it.
Never mind.